Hi everyone! Welcome again to our another lesson in English 9. So for lesson 2, in third reading, we have viewing skills. Viewing is part of our macro skills such as reading, listening, writing, and then viewing. So it is a process that supports oracy. When you say oracy, it is the oral or the one that you are speaking, and literacy or the way you learn. It is part of an integrated language arts program, that is viewing. Viewing also is understanding visual images and connecting them to accompanying spoken or written words. So you interpret what you see based on the picture, videos, or images in front of you. It involves interpreting the images for which words stand and connecting visual images in videos, computer, programs, and websites with accompanying printed or spoken word. So, by the use of this, we can interpret and also analyze what does the graphics or the videos wants to tell to us. Viewing enhances listening skills. When students attend to nonverbal communication and visual elements or performance, video, television, film, and multimedia presentations. It also enhances reading. When students attend to visuals accompanying print, for examples, we have charts, diagrams, illustrations, specific textual techniques like layout, color, and then symbols, the assumptions, perspectives, and quality of a variety of a media or photos, plays, and videos. Viewing is really important because it collaborates with other macro skills in our learning. Viewing was not a skill that was taught until recently. So students can learn to read the pictures, the diagrams, and then the tables, maps, and charts. These skills will provide them with increased information about the material. Many materials today cannot be accurately interpreted without the graphics. Many books relate stories that are incomplete without the use of pictures. So, I therefore conclude that viewing is really a big help, okay, for learning or for in our learning process. We have a lot of ways to represent ideas visually. Presentation can be done by drawing, photographs, formatting information with the word processing program, video, multimedia, web pages, and web-based correspondence. So these are only some examples or commonly material that we can use when we are having a presentation, okay, with the use of these images, and also when we are having we want to develop or improve our viewing skills. Here are the viewing component and fundamental principles. First is it understands and it interprets. The student understands and interprets visual images such as messages and meanings or the visual representation. The second is it analyzes and critiques. The students analyzes and critiques the significance of visual images, messages, and meanings once they use and once they see a picture or images, even videos. Okay, so why viewing is really important or play a big role in students' learning. First is they are immersed in reading and viewing. Next is they develop sense of ownership by having choice in what they read and view and how they respond. Next is they see strategies demonstrated and modeled. Fourth is viewing skills or strategies are taught, learned in context. And then lastly, they see the value of reading and viewing and develop their desire to engage in these processes. There are certain types of viewing that we usually do. Here are those. First type is defining visual literacy. It is the ability to interpret the meaning of visual images according to Georgi in 1999. It is also the ability to construct effective visuals in order to convey ideas to others according to Valmont in 2003 and Henich in 1999. Next is visual literacy should begin with picture books. Children need others to ask the right question to spur on the skills of viewing. Why do you think that was put in the picture? What does the picture means? What do you see? What is happening? So these are the questions that you can arise when you are having images in a book. Next type is critical viewing. Just as in reading, writing, and speaking, viewing entails giving attention to facts, relationships, inferences, and to critical analysis. Critical viewing is a viewer carefully to comprehend and evaluate information presented by television, video recordings, and other visual media. Another type is what we call STAs, which means seeing thinking activities. Most teachers are familiar with directed reading or thinking activities, but STAs are the same sort of activity, only using visual for reading. It strengthens visual literacy skills and making predictions from available information. There are 4 types of STAs. One is simple, single frame, alternative ending, and multiple frame. Okay, get ready later for our question and answer time. Thank you for listening and attending. See you later. Bye!